Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you got tellurium tetrabromide. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. Steric number H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here tellurium valency is 6, bromine atoms are 4. So if you substitute in the formula, steric number will be 5. Then the lone pair calculation will be H minus B, which equals 1. So H5 means sp3d hybridization, which is trigonal bipyramidal. But where the lone pair will fit? Lone pair fit in equatorial position because of repulsion. So if you really look at the 3D structure, the structure will be CSIR because the lone pair is not visible. Remaining atom will be like CSIR structure. So the shape of tellurium tetrabromide is CSIR structure. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.